I'm good. I'm just gonna say to everyone, Paulo Cruzada, can you just stop harassing Ate Dina Guillermo? And who else that I mentioned? Wari Nangkram, my friend, the Miss Thailand. I just want to explain to you, Mr. Paulo Cruzada, ha? I just want to speak about this. Inaano ka ba ni Wari Nangkram, yung Miss Thailand? Inaano ka ba ni Ate Dina Guillermo? Oh, I just want to explain. Would I ever tell to Ate Mel Canete? Ha? I'm just gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada, I have no such things that you are saying. You saying about Marcos pa rin, you saying about nonsense. You know, Gina said, Joe, Paulo Cruzada, it's too much harsh about talking about politics. I have no related to politics. You know, I was told by Kuya Bear, oh, after I reconciled with Ate Dina Guillermo, thanks to Kuya Bear, oh, Kuya Bear is really how I was teaching how to use social media etiquette, oh, he's just like teacher Mate Show. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sergio, I just want to tell you, to both of you, here's my warning to both of you. If you don't really how to stop, I'm just gonna say to both of you, Ate Dina Guillermo will file the cases against you. Oh, if she tell it to Joseph Maspinas, oh, pag nagsumbong kay Joseph Maspinas, o pag nagsumbong yan kay Jerick Silva, nako po, oh, makakasuhan pa kayo, like I said. You know, I'm not talking about politics. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sergio. If I just want to say to both of you, you need to stop talking about politics. I am not related to politics. Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sergio. When I was in Nanay Banji's house, I never talk about politics. I always talk about non-political motivation. And both of you, you're saying about Marcos. What both of you are puppet? Kuya Copio? Are both of you are similar with Kuya Copio, Paulo Cruzada, and Gina Sergio? What both of you are similar? Are both of you are puppet of Bongbong Marcos? Both of you are puppet of Martin Romualdez? And even Lisa Araneta Marcos, ha? If I say to both of you, enough about politics. It's too much harsh. You know, Janica Rose Bautista, that was a workmate of Ate Dina, had reported to Jerick Silva, nagsumbong si Jerick. Oh, you know, kay Janica Rose Bautista, oh, yang si Paulo Cruzada, inaras niya si Ate Dina, oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina has no family. Even you threaten to hostage Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, hindi kanya kilala. Oh, even Teacher Julin Bactad had said to me, oh, she chatted me, who's Paulo Cruzada? Oh, I explained it everything. It was a student of Teacher May. Pero like I said before, hindi kanya kilala. Oh, wag ganon, I said to you. Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself for what you did and what even you just did to others. It's not really good to harass anybody. You know, Paulo Cruzada, when I was in CDIFI, I really know you. Oh, you always take picture alongside with Wawel Romero. Oh, I was with, what's the time I was there? Teacher Lendel. Oh, I was with, you know, the time there's Ate Dina. Oh, wag ganon. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. Have a shame to yourself. Have pity yourself. You do not know what you're talking about. You know, kung ako sa iyo, like I said to you, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo, I am just gonna say, you're both of you are going to be to be summoned in barangay. Oh, it's not really good. Oh, yeah, at least Mr. Dennis Gill had read all the messages came back from Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. Oh, I was asked by his father, Mr. Dennis Gill. He said to me, is that Paulo Cruzada who tried to keep messaging on me many times? Oh, I told to Mr. Dennis Gill, it was Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. Oh, I asked David Gill, don't be friends with Gina Sedjo. Oh, she's really evil. Even Paulo Cruzada. Oh, the only have you been friends with David Gill is Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May is very kind. Oh, very. It's just like Kuya Ver. Oh, he is not really. She's not really like that. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. I'm just gonna say to both of you, tigilan mo na si Ate Dina at si Wari ng Kram. I am saying to both of you,